What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm gonna be heading out to do some fishing. I got the John boat hooked up, but I have a spot on the way to the lake that I'm going to where I'm just gonna park off to the side of the road, do a little bit of fishing. I'm gonna be doing a lot of drop shot fishing today. It's kind of cloudy out this morning. I'm leaving a little bit later. It's about 8:30 right now, but I'm gonna go do some fishing. Gonna be chasing some largemouth, maybe a couple smallmouth if possible, but I'm gonna see if I can catch some fish for you guys. Sorry I haven't posted a video for a while. I've realized that I haven't posted a video for a while, but I'm back. I have a couple videos edited and I'm trying to get a lot more content for you guys. But anyways, I hope you guys do enjoy today's video. If you do, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys out on the water. Guys, I got one. Got a bass on that drop shot. Ooh, that's not bad. Probably a pounder. Oh yeah, it's definitely a pound. Oh, he threw off my sinker though. Thanks, buddy.
That's probably a scorable.
I know. Ate the fluke.
Well, looks like we're going back to the best five, I guess.
Not a bad one. Probably a pounder.
Let's see if it's scorable first.
Gonna release him. Gonna give him a quick weigh and then release him after.
See if it's scorable first. Pump it.
Yeah. It was at one even.
Stopped on it. Don't pull one through. Nice.
Thanks, buddy.
Alright.
Guys, I got another one on the drop shot. Not a big one by no means, but it is another bass. Absolutely choked it. Thanks, buddy. Throw him back. Try to fix this up here. I've lost a couple in a row, which I'm not really happy about, but it's okay. It's all good. Fix up my drop shot here. Get her back out there and see if we can't get us another one here. Scale?
Nah.
Get back to you guys in a little bit. Guys, literally as soon as I turned off the camera, I caught one. Again, not a big one, but it just shows that the drop shot kills the fish. All sizes. Ah, come on, buddy. Get him unhooked here. Throw him back, fix this up again, and get her out there and see if we can't catch us another fish here. Make it weedless again. Another cast out there and see if we can get us another bite. But I'm trying to get some big fish to bite. And the setup that I'm using again is my Daiwa rod Tatula medium with my 2500 Shimano Miraval. Using 8-pound Ghost Sprayed 832. And then for the leader, I have on a 8-pound Seagar. 8-pound Seagar with 3/8 ounce drop shot weight, and then I have a, if I'm not mistaken, a size 2 drop shot hook. But I'll keep at it, and once I get another fish, I will get right back with you guys. Guys, literally as soon as I said that, I turned off the camera, I got another one. That was pretty dumb. I literally said that, and then made another cast right out there. He came in, he ate it, and I set the hook and got him. Bigger, not much, but he is a little bit bigger. He's been caught a couple times, but I'll show you guys that guy. Thanks, buddy. Let him go. Grab my other plastic from my pocket here. Oh, if I even have one. Yes, I got one left. Throw it on, throw it out there, and see if we can't get us another fish to come in and play. It's all about finding the sweet spot. Once you find that sweet spot, then it gets pretty easy to catch them. First one of the day, guys. Absolute toad. Thanks, buddy. I'm out doing some fishing on my day off and using a drop shot. It's super hot out right now, but I'm just fishing a little point. Got the John boat all fixed up and took her out, and just fishing a little point here. Seeing if I can't catch a couple fish. Had a couple bites earlier already, but nothing too crazy happened yet. More I can try to catch. My setup that I'm using today is my Tatula medium with my Shimano Mirabelle reel. A lot of weeds on there. Well, this fish too. Just a little guy. But dumped it like he didn't have another day to live, so trying something different. I was fishing docks before, but wasn't getting much bites off of docks, so I decided to come out deep and try to fish the deep weed lines out here. And got a couple bites already, so it's pretty good. It was just a little guy right there again. I think it was a little guy, not sure. But literally, as soon as I turned off the camera, he bit, flipped it out there, and landed, started sinking down, and I just felt him smoke it. Coming up to another point here. See if I can't catch anything off of this point. I'm using a green pumpkin fluke with 3/8 ounce drop shot weight. And then I'm just using a regular wacky worm hook. Not using a Nico hook or anything this time. Got him. God, another one, little guy. What is going on? Why is there so many little guys? Just gotta keep moving and keep looking. Ooh, what the heck happened there? Oh, mother sucker, dude. He hit it as I popped it up and missed him. Any openings you get to or any points that come out underwater as you're getting into an inlet, I'd say fish it. And fish it pretty good, pretty decent, and try to catch something, because usually anywhere where there's an inlet or with a point, that's going to be a cruising spot for the fish. Couple hours, not even a couple hours, probably like an hour and a half. So haven't been out here too long, but oh, I lost him. What the mother trucker, dude? Right on this deep weed line here. Guys, I got another one. Dinker. They don't get much bigger than 3 pounds in this lake here. But if you do get one that's big, it's gonna be a good one. That's all I can say. Screwed up. I didn't feed my line through the... Oh, I did. A lot of the times I'd be fishing pretty close to shore, pretty shallow, but I've noticed every time I've gone close to shore and fished shallow, I just lost one. Every time I'm going to fish shallow, I don't get as many bites. But when I stay deep, I get more bites. Catch a lot of little guys, but I get more bites. Guys, I got another one. This guy's super pale. It's weird. Look at that. It's gotta just be the lake itself. But trying to catch a couple here, and they're just a lot of little guys are playing right now. No big guys yet. Grab another fluke from my box here. Let's keep moving and see if we can't catch another one here. That just shows you don't need graphs or anything. If you got Navionics helps a lot when you're trying to figure out spots. Having Navionics on your phone or on your sonars really helped, because it's just a mapping that you can use to help you find some spots to try out. Guys, I found an underwater point on Navionics, like I said. Went straight to the point, started fishing, and no later than 2 casts later, I got hooked up with one. Poke him off of there. Thanks, buddy. Gosh, that was awesome. I literally just turned the camera off too. I turned it off. I'm like, oh, let's go try this underwater point here. And I cruised over there on Navionics, and first cast, he came up and just took it. Wow. Usually if you can find any underwater points or any type of like weird contour structure in the water, there will usually be a fish, if not one, a couple of them cruising that, and you just gotta fish it pretty carefully and pretty easy, and you guys should be able to catch some fish. Guys, I got another one. Ooh, sorry, buddy. Destroyed the mondo worm. That worm's pretty much toasted. I'm gonna throw my drop shot around here for a little bit longer because I'm getting a bunch of bites around here, so just throw the drop shot around for a little bit longer around here. And if anything, I'll probably move, go fish a different point. Alright guys, I'm going to try to show you guys something on my phone here. So the spot that I was fishing here, if you guys can see, that's me right there. And there's this little cut or little, I guess, turn right here. And you see that there's a huge flat right here. So if the fish are cruising, there's going to be this little spot where they cruise on, and they'll come around this little point here. And that's why I'm fishing right now. But I'm going to cruise all the way up, and I'm going to fish right in this little break right here where there's this little point and another little turn that comes together. And I should catch a couple there, but as you can see, this is pretty much just a flat lake all the way across. But I will get back to you guys as soon as I get to the other spot. Guys, I literally just had one. I set the hook on him and I lost him. Wasn't a big one, but it was a fish. I'm fishing a little inlet right now. I'm fishing a little inlet. It's got a bunch of weeds in here. Fishing the outside weeds. I'm using my medium light Curado with my Curado reel. Got 12-pound line on here. Got him. Ah, just a little guy. Dumped it hard though. I'm using a KBL jig, which is a Kang Bros Lures jig. They're really nice jigs to use. They're custom made out of Minnesota. Guys, I got one on the Slim Shake. Little guy absolutely crushed it. Thanks, buddy. Again, I'm fishing off a point. Another point. Went back and fished another a point that I didn't fish very well just because I kind of went fast to it. So came back and got the big Slim Shake on now, and I'm just fishing it super slow. Guys, I got a dinker. Crushed it. Hit it while I was swimming it, but then I missed him, so then casted it back in there and hit it again. Golly. Alright guys, first one of the day. Just a little guy. Ate it. Oh, sorry buddy. Wow, fluke ripped already. There you go, what the fuck are you doing? Almost back in the water. There he goes.